Now let's get started on those loaded mashed potatoes. If you would take these potatoes and peel them, quarter them, and throw them in your pot, we're gonna need about 6 pounds total.
Okay.
I'm gonna come over here and make the glaze for the ham. And I am gonna dip back into my brown sugar bowl one more time, and I'm gonna scoop me out another cup of brown sugar. Now, I know you still got your mother.
And my mother-in-law.
That's wonderful.
I know.
So you really hadn't had to take over the full responsibilities of the kitchen.
I haven't. I do a lot of side dishes, and they usually bring the ham or turkey.
For this glaze, Leanne, it's so simple. You see, I sprayed my cup because I'm gonna put in honey, and I don't want it to stick to my cup. So a half a cup of honey, a half a cup of Dijon mustard, and I'm just gonna use the same cup because I need a half a cup of each. So there we go. And look at that. See that honey, how it just rolls right on out of there?
Yeah.
Because I sprayed that cup. All it takes is one little tap like that.
That's good.
My 1 8-ounce can, y'all, of crushed pineapple.
Okay.
Liquid and all, just dump in there. And 3 cups of pineapple juice. Now I'm gonna just put this on low and let that glaze, get thicker for us and let it kind of cook down a little bit. So now I'm gonna cut the tops off of a couple of heads of garlic, and we're gonna roast these off and use them for our potatoes. Just, roll that up, just like that.
Okay.
Just cut the tops off. I'm gonna wrap them in some tin foil. So we're gonna put these in the oven, Leanne, about 350, and we're gonna roast them off about 30 minutes until they're nice and soft. I just love roasted garlic, do you? So put that in the oven, baby. Looks like you're gonna need a little more water in your pot of potatoes, Leanne. Bring it back here, we're gonna add just a little. Whoa! All right, I'm just gonna salt our water, and we're gonna let these potatoes just cook away. We got our ham a-brining, and we got our glaze put together, and we are celebrating Christmas together. Y'all, in case you've just dropped in, we are celebrating with a fabulous Christmas dinner, aren't we, girlfriend?
Yes.
Right now, I'm fixing to put together a loaded mashed potato. I need for you to grate us some cheese, please, for these potatoes. A couple of cups. I like it real cheesy. And we're gonna be using a white cheddar. So if you'll start on that, honey, and we'll put us a little butter. Just a little, it's just a little.
I know, I don't mind it.
Okay. I have diced us up, Leanne, about 1.5 pounds of bacon, and I have cooked that until it's crisp. So I'm gonna just take that out now and let it drain. There we go. Ooh, you got it going on, honey. Now let's start beating up our potatoes. Now, the only thing is, you'll wanna watch out for is don't overbeat them.
Okay.
Because they'll turn back starchy. So just a little beaten. And I'm gonna add us a little salt. Gotta have salt in that potato. And I'm gonna add us a little black pepper. So you get to beating, honey.
This mixer whines like when I beat my husband.
Does your husband whine when you beat him?
Yes, he does.
Mine does too.
Oh.
So I need to help you a little bit
No,
with some sour cream.
Yeah, that
You need
might
a little
loosen it
bit.
up.
So about 12 ounces. All right, see if that's not any better for you. All right, and cut your mixer off, and then take it and just bring those potatoes.
I know you think I never mixed anything. I have. I promise I have. It's just, cooking with Paula Deen. It's like
Well, honey, don't
cooking with the president.
No, it's not.
It is.
It's like cooking with your mama.
Okay. I've got a laid-back mama.
This
She'd
is
say,
gonna be
okay.
delicious, and you know what? What we're gonna do is I'm gonna put that down in there and just sling those taters off.
Okay.
So you don't have to work them off with your fingers. Let's taste them and see if they got enough salt in them. No, they need more salt.
They do. Was there ever a time where you weren't as confident cooking
Sure
than
there
you are
was.
now?
Listen, honey, I got married at 18, Leanne.
Oh, Lord.
I could not boil water because I had a very busy social life. And I was not interested in getting in the kitchen. You know, I was fortunate that I had my grandmother, who was a fabulous Southern cook. We were in the kitchen a lot together. Look at these. Oh, God, I love it. Smell.
That does smell good.
All right, now we're just gonna squeeze that right into there. Now work that garlic in. Leanne, who cooks for your kids when you're on the road?
When I'm touring and I'm on stage, my mama's cooking for them at home.
That is great.
I know.
That kitchen is so important.
To sit down together at
Oh
night.
gosh, it's just a time for everybody to come together and heal at the end of a day. And the kitchen should be one of those places where everybody feels comfortable. All right, so we're gonna add in every last bit of this bacon and then just give it a good stir. Look how good that looks. All right, now Leanne, put your cheese, honey. Fold that in. So you got your potatoes together?
I think so.
Let's give these a little taste. I think we need a little hot sauce in here.
Okay.
You know, just a little bit, but those taste good. All right, so we are there, baby. So what do you think, Leanne?
It's wonderful.
Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.